Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can search icon, click on that and then enter B760M space K space DDR4. Then hit enter. So then click on product. Then scroll down. So this is KDDR4 B760M. Then click on support. Then select our operating system Windows 10 and 11. Then Windows 10, 11, which is you required. So this is audio driver 65. Just click to download. You can see start downloading. Okay, I already downloaded 165. Just open it. And double click to launch. Then click on yes. After you can see this is first extract. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close it. Chipset. So first enter serial driver and click to download. You can start downloading. It is completed. Open it and double click to launch and then click on yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Just close it. And then close it. After that enough installations and click to download. So open. After completed, just double click to open. After it, click on yes. Then this is extract. Now it is downloading. Start. So you can see this is LAN driver, VGA driver. Okay, okay. This is LAN driver and this is VGA. And same process, you can just download and install it.